Welcome to TrueCare TV, where real health stories meet clear medical explanations. Here, we break down pregnancy, child health, and everyday medical conditions in a way that's simple, honest, and easy to understand. If you care about your health and your family's well-being, you're in the right place.
You sure you can swim like that? Don't come and disgrace us.
Relax, it's not that deep, and I'm not a child. Let's not stay out too late. I have work on Monday. Guys, Saturday Soft Life!
See, as soon as they fear water.
I don't know.
Ada, open your eyes.
She's not breathing.
Call hospital. Continue compression. Stay with us.
Please help them!
Pulse is weak. Keep going.
How long was she underwater?
Start bagging. Prepare shock.
Clear!
She's been like this for hours. I know. The doctor said to wait. I hope she wakes up soon.
She's stable, but the next few hours are very important.
Don't ever scare me like that again. Drowning is silent. Most adults don't scream. It happens fast, and it happens when everyone thinks you're joking. Learn CPR. Never swim without supervision. Water does not forgive mistakes.